Okay, so y'all, me and my bald head kids got a Tokyo treat box. Booyah! And we're gonna try it out. Everybody looking crusty today because they've been hounding
Who's
me.
crusty?
They've been hounding me about trying this box. So we got Baby S, bald head Little Bill, and we got Zuzu on the beat. Zuzu just gonna be trying out snacks. We ain't gonna try everything on camera, just a couple things. So this is a fun way to try new, different snacks with your family, and we like it. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try these first. What's these? Ooh, it says caramel corn. Those look like those are gonna be good.
They look like Cheeto Puffs.
But caramel corn
Ooh,
flavor.
what is that? That looks nasty.
It looks like creme brulee. Some guys don't like creme brulee drink. Okay, this is harder to open than I thought. Okay, so we're gonna all try the creme brulee snack. Don't get in Zuzu one yet, cause she gonna pop hers right in her mouth as soon as she. Okay, everybody's try. It tastes like waffle crisp.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You want some more?
Like caramel apple.
Candy corn.
That tastes caramel.
I mean, yeah, caramel corn. That's what it is.
It tastes like something I had before.
It's caramel corn. Look, caramel popcorn, but like Cheeto corn, Cheeto puff corn. They're pretty good though. Okay, what we gonna try next? Guess we could try these. This looks like some kind of. It looks like a bird candy. That was too many. Here, let me read it first. I don't know what they are. Or should we just taste it and see what we think it tastes like and then read it? It's a little picture of a man that look like bird on the front. What's that? This the little list to tell you what everything is. This is the maple butter beer ramune candy. It's a fizz candy.
It's like the Harry Potter butter beer or whatever. Tastes like a butterscotch.
I'm say it tastes like a multivitamin.
Oh.
Like that flavor right before you swallow your vitamin.
Butterscotch.
I'm not a butterscotch fan.
Yeah, me either.
That
So, yeah.
tastes like the Beebles when we had them beans.
Yeah, that's what it is.
How about that?
That's
You want
what
to try this one, boo? This one got some animals on
Like
it.
that
This you want to try
aftertaste.
this one? What's this? This is. What's this one? I don't see this one. I don't see this one on the list, so I'm not sure what it is. But we gonna try it.
It's like graham crackers or something.
This one says panda. 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 Wait, you gotta wait to try it, Zuzu. Don't eat it yet.
I can't hear none of that.
Wait, Zuzu. Give you a bat. You gonna get a pigeon. Bark, bark. Pigeon. And I got a dog.
Same time I go to sleep, mama. Salty. You like regular crackers.
Graham crackers.
That's like,
It's like a healthy animal cracker.
yeah, animal cracker without the sugar. I was just about to say animal cracker without the sugar.
I'm sorry, that looks so nasty. Like this picture right here throwing me off.
Wolf. And it literally got words on it. Like, I ain't never seen a word printed on horse. Want another one, Susan?
Goat. I'm the goat.
You smell like a goat.
Mom. I'm the goat.
I know that's what it smell like. Okay, so this must be one of them tomatoes. It got a tomato on the front. I done had enough of these to know that it's probably gonna be something with a tomato on it. But I don't see it on. Oh, there you go. Halloween corn pizza flavored.
I know that's gonna be nasty.
Izzy, don't ruin the video, buddy.
I already know that's gonna be nasty.
Izzy said, I don't care about none of that. What you talking about?
This looks good. It looks like something hot.
You ain't got enough of your hot fix here. I'm gonna get two. That way you can get a good. Here. Oop, got yours.
She already tasted it. Zuzu already.
Tiger tomato, basil, all the good stuff. Set them back out.
Oh no, it tastes like the one we had last.
It tastes like, yeah, it tastes like pizza. Them Pringle pizza flavors.
Girl, no.
Who told you to get my wife? Ooh, I want to try these. The Pringle. What flavor is this?
You gotta clear your mouth out so the flavors don't mix.
This says Tom Yam Kung. That's the flavor. So it's gonna be.
This look like it's taxi
Open them up for me, though.
shrimp. It's shrimp. I'm a big fan of.
It's gonna be some Asian flavor. They got 3 different flavors you could have get, and it says Tom Yam Kung. I don't know what that is.
It look like the ones I had on when you take a STAR test, and they use some Pringles. They was always nasty.
It tastes like Asian flavor ramen.
Huh? It tastes like regular Pringles.
No, it don't. Or shrimp flavor ramen. Either the Asian flavor or the shrimp flavor. Either way, they taste like ramen. What you think, baby? Ramen? You get ramen?
I don't know. It's something I don't know what it is. I can't quite put my finger on it.
That's
Like a
ramen,
question.
but that's shrimp ramen right there. And a chip. And I'm
Definitely
feeling
a
it.
fishy flavor though.
It's ramen. Shrimp flavor.
Open the next one.
Give me one more. That's the one you gonna wait. This one is
That's a reach.
umambo ring
It got a
mentai.
jalapeno. I don't know what that is. On the picture.
It says slightly spicy. It's a sweet snack though. No, just rip it right here.
I know. Oh.
That's I see how you be opening the stuff in the kitchen. You ain't gotta open it all the way. Just leave your finger in there.
That tastes like, that smell like Leona dog food.
It definitely smell like some kind of animal.
No, that smell like Leona
gerbil
dog
food.
food.
Let's taste that. It tastes like gerbil food. No, it tastes like.
I like them.
I can do it out there. This is one.
It's-
It smells like it tastes,
No, Mom.
but
She gonna drop that shit on the floor out there coming.
what you think, sis?
You want it?
It's a no for Zuzu.
She dropped it.
You said no. I could do without it. I could eat it, but I wouldn't buy them.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I think it's the aftertaste. The
No,
Kit
that's no Kit Kat.
Kat.
I know these like some chocolate crisps. We had these
Give me
before.
a piece of that Kit Kat.
Izzy, you be able to eat some next year.
It's always some crunchy stuff. Oh, I think we had these before.
Yeah, we had these. They tasted like Cocoa Puffs.
Well, that was good.
Not quite Cocoa Puff. Sweeter than a cocoa.
Lulu don't like these.
They sweeter than a cocoa puff, but they good.
I don't think she liked it.
You like it, buddy? Did she taste it? So I got to check and make sure it ain't nasty.
Ugh. Swedish fish or something?
That is. It says bubble taiyaki berry zombie. This is one zombie you'll want to bite. Inside the crunchy green and black Japanese fish-shaped wafer, you'll find fruity berry flavored chocolate. So leave the brains and pick up a tasty taiyaki. It smells good.
Not bad.
That's good.
It's like a little wafer crisp.
You want the inside that's good. The outside don't taste like that.
The outside just a wafer, and the inside is like
The
fruity,
flavor?
like fruity candy pebblish. Why give her that big old piece? If she don't like it, she gonna throw it. You don't like it?
I don't think she tried it.
Yes, she did. She beat it.
No,
This looks nasty when you look at it.
It's alright. Not my favorite. You try this one? I think this gum. If this gum, we're gonna hold off on this one. Let me see. Yeah, this gum. Energy gum. You definitely ain't getting none of that. What's this one? Soda candy. Let me try the soda candy. You want to try some with this, Lulu? Wait a second.
Wait!
Dude. You gonna have to share this with Mama. It's like little stamps.
I feel like I remember something like that.
I don't remember nothing like that.
No, not from here. Just like from America.
You say you could use it as a stamp. Where, on your tongue?
Probably like on paper or something. Yeah, I definitely.
Oh,
something
it
like that.
stamps your tongue.
Yeah, I remember something like that.
I don't think it tastes like nothing though.
I feel like sugar candy.
She can't even hold when they hard.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just sugar. It's like a stamp, but it don't taste like it's sugar.
Bam.
She ain't gonna be able to sit on her own tongue. You gotta stamp her hand or something.
Stick your tongue out.
Look at tongue out, buddy. Do like this, Zuzu. Huh? Look, Zuzu, say. Look, let Daddy stamp your tongue. Stick your tongue out. Now look him step you. Stamp your hand. It stamped your hand, buddy.
You done broke a tooth on this.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all can't get home.
Don't do it all, man. That's why I said don't get her one. Okay. So let's try these. Look like some. I don't know.
It look like
fries
Pockies.
or something. Pockies ain't open in it.
Yeah.
Okay, open.
I ain't no no strawberry stuff.
They're just supposed to pour them in a box like some fries or something.
In a box?
Open it. Izzy say, I'm a part of the family. I want to be on the video.
Maybe it
Maybe you just horrible at opening. Dang! Okay, what is these? Sweet potato Kurosatu Suma sticks. I have no clue what this is. Just a potato flavored chip. A sweet potato flavored chip.
Oh, it was sweet at first.
It's like sweet potato. You know me. Big Daddy like that. We got the Kit Kat, the apple pie Kit Kats. We had these last year, so we already know what they taste like. They bomb. We had this little marshmallow candy last year too. Zombie gum. Tried that last year.
We did.
It's like some kind of soda candy. Grape soda gummy. What's that you opening?
I don't think.
Some kind of gummy candy. It tastes like,
You don't like it?
fruit snack.
You don't like it?
A green flavored fruit snack. That's it. That's all.
Oh, it's
Okay, so
lifted.
it's a milk tea. Are you supposed to drink milk tea cold?
Like boba tea.
I don't think it matters. Shake it up. So this the last thing we gonna try, and then we gonna go. Cause y'all probably tired of watching us try a snack box. But
Peace out.
you shake it up good. So we gonna try this. It is a creme brulee milk tea. This probably Josh. Steve's.
Oh, it's sizzling.
Maybe we wasn't supposed to shake it. I don't know.
I'm finna try this.
Maybe you want to eat Cocoa Puffs again for my cereal.
It don't smell like nothing.
Cocoa Puffs are good. You went and got some Cocoa Puffs. I got Cocoa Puffs. So I'm over looking crazy.
It's gone. Those gonna like melt.
I'm probably gonna be the only person that like this because I like tea, and this is pretty good. I'm gonna get a cup to try it. Who told you to eat up the whole gummy? Give me that. That's good though. Did you get Zuzu something? What you getting, Zuzu?
I could have did without that.
I think it's good. I like it. This one's good too. It tastes like grapefruit. I mean, grape soda.
Leona, calm down. Now, how much in that Kit Kat thing?
Well,
How many in that?
that's gonna be the end of the video for us, y'all. I think this was tasty, but then again, I like tea. I drink a lot of tea at home, so I'm gonna have Holly taste it. Let's see what she thinks. Why you pour such a big cup if you're just tasting it?
It wasn't even big. Ooh.
Thirsty, thirsty.
It's not even big.
Let's Zuzu taste it. You gonna taste something, Zuzu? You wanna taste it? You like that, buddy? Good? Well, like I said, I'm just gonna be the only one that like it. I think it's good.
I'm sorry.
Put that over ice. I like it. Well, that is gonna conclude our Tokyo Treats box. We got 2 more coming, so I guess next time we'll show y'all what we get again.
When?
Next month. Peace out, y'all.
Yeah, we got you too.
Let me let me know if y'all like this video. Comment below and we'll do some more. Today is critiquing my YouTube skills. Y'all in my business? Don't do that.
You look like
But you see me.
subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Okay. Bye. Say bye, Zuzu. Say bye-bye.